took the drawers out and then I wiped down where I stained with some of these rags and mineral spirits to kind of give it a more weathered look. But I didn't like how it looked just with these white drawers. I think it needed like a little bit of an extra something. And so on the other side of the dresser, I'll show you in a second, I just took a little bit of the mineral spirits and I kind of wiped off where the gray was a little bit to wear it down more. Because I just felt like if it was such a solid gray color, then it doesn't even look like it's been stained. I don't know if that makes sense. So I wanted it to be a little bit more opaque and distressed looking. So then I take, I have some of the gray on my rag and I kind of just brush it over the drawers. I thought about maybe using some of the stain as like a glaze on top of the white, and then kind of just thought, what if I just use what's on my rag anyways instead of painting directly with the stain. So I'm just gonna buff this into the white. Make sure that I have it really on there. I'm just gonna kind of wipe off all of the excess because I don't want it to be too gray. So then I kind of took my little, I need to fix that, maybe I can. My little sanding block right here.